Okay. Oh my, that's all the way down here. Feels Factorio, man. Alright, have your juicy, delicious treat. How was Satisfactory released on Steam, but still early access? Because it was an Epic Store exclusive at first. Alright, we're back. It's back to full swing. Oh. You thought. There's another one. It's a hidden one. It's a secret one. Epic! Dude! Is this a tier 2 or tier 1? Wow. This will literally never run out of juice now, huh? Now we're talking. Alright, that'll speed this process up dramatically. That will more evenly distribute all this coal. Tube time! Tube time, then I die gamer death. I want a tube that goes up the waterfall, man. That's my dream. Delete all the jump pads on the side, even though they were fun. We could leave the jump pads just because. But the tube, everyone's gonna like the tube better. We already knew that. Yes, as soon as the stream turns off, gamer death is imminent. What is gamer death? It's just a meme on the channel where if you don't stand up and stretch every 3 hours, your knees get clogged with blood. And then when you try to stand up, the blood clots in your knees cause your death. You died playing too many video games. So get up and stretch every 3 hours. Don't be like me. Alright, just to be annoying to my future self, I'm gonna do this. Transportation. Tube support. Entrance. Tube. How far can tube go, chat? Okay. It's time. Look at the suction. Woo! Oh, man. Look at me flying, dude. Now that is crazy. I don't know why I have, like, the knee pads flying off. It's like going faster than it can load. Whoop! Alright, it's been fun, chat. 11:59 and 55 seconds. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Not a 12-hour stream, by the way.